You may have sensed it, a subtle push, a shadowy presence, someone whose energy drains or confuses you. Maybe they have tried to hold you back, manipulate the outcomes, or make you question yourself. But the cards are here to tell us all the secrets they don't want you to know. So, this particular reading will show you the hidden truths and, more importantly, how to turn them into your own power. Okay, so stick to it. Let us first understand your current energy and what are you feeling at present. I am seeing a lot of you are suffering from anxiety, having sleepless nights, and mental strain. And some of you are going through a depression phase. You may have been overthinking what others are doing behind your back. You are juggling their influence on your life. Okay? You may feel unbalanced, caught in their energy, a pause, a feeling of waiting or being stuck. Perhaps their actions have held you in suspense. Though your intuition is strong, you know more than you admit. So listen to your inner voice. This is the guidance from the cards. And you have been aware, but maybe ignoring your own knowing. It's time to trust it fully. Be aware what you are speaking and to whom. Okay? That is very, very important for you. And we also have the cards which talks about the deceit, the hidden agendas, manipulation. Someone is acting very differently. Now, this person can be your extended family member, somebody from your friend circle, somebody can be at your workplace, even your own manager. And you are feeling you're feeling isolated, unsupported, possibly because of their influence. For some of you, this person is taking the credit, or they are making marks on your character. They are speaking very bad things about you. They're gossiping about you. I'm also seeing an energy where this person wants to control you. A toxic attachment, I'm seeing, a jealousy. And this is a pattern. I mean, not just one person. For some of you, it can be a group of people who are trying to destroy your image or trying to destroy what you are building. Okay. I'm seeing a lot of self doubt. I'm seeing the mental blocks. Okay, that they hope you continue to carry, and they are laughing at your back and they are very happy that you are not doing the progress. Okay, so this energy are not just external, their power comes from what you have let influence your mind. Awareness is your first shield, don't forget that. Okay, and let me talk about the hidden truth they don't want you to know. You are a kind of person who is very good towards other. Okay, some of you are also doing some kind of charity, very silent way, and some of you also pray to the God on a daily basis or chant something. That kind of energy I'm getting, and therefore you have always been protected and guided by the divine, and therefore their influence can't block your destiny. And keep doing whatever you're doing. Either you're visiting the temples on a daily basis, you're worshipping XYZ God, okay, whomsoever you believe in. And yes, I'm also seeing in the near future clarity and truth are emerging. Okay, so don't be shocked. You will come to know that, oh, this person was doing all this time behind my back and I was trusting him or her. Yeah, this is going to happen. So secrets, lies, and manipulations are going to be revealed soon. Okay, and their energy cannot be in your life. Your success, joy, and clarity are visible and unstoppable. You are building long term stability foundations they cannot touch. Yes, this particular phase is tough for you. What they fear most is your awareness, your growth, and your unshakable alignment. This is your power. Okay. So, whatever they are doing towards you, what I want you to do is transform this confrontation and challenges into inner resilience. Yes, and show them your power. That is your strength. And use their energy as momentum to move forward decisively. If it's the scenario of the workplace, upgrade yourself. Take the opportunities to learn, grow, and gain insight from what they have tried to hide. You have all the tools to turn toxicity into clarity, empowerment, and manifestation. Yes. Their energy is fuel, not a cage. Use it wisely. Okay. So, as per the card's energy, I'm giving you some tips what you must do now to protect and empower yourself. I know you're not feeling good, you are feeling very negative, you feel you cannot do anything in life, you feel like why people always, manipulate me, why always people cheat on me. Okay, whether it's in relationship or at workplace, why people always take my credit, why they are gossiping about me. You're having a lot of questions. I did not do anything. Okay, so let me tell you, as per the card's energy, the first thing you have to do is reflect, withdraw when needed, and regain the perspective. Okay. Speak your truth, enforce the boundaries that's very important for you, and cut through the manipulation. Stay grounded, be focused and consistent. An action paired with caution is your friend. Okay. So be cautious what you're speaking. Be cautious to whom you are speaking. Be cautious with whom you are hanging out. Be cautious with whom you're going on a tea break. Be cautious with whom you're having a lunch or a dinner. Be cautious about everything. Okay? Protect yourself through clarity, courage, and consistency. That is your shield. So, that was the message. And you know what? You're untouchable in your growth. The energy of others cannot stop your journey, they cannot dim your light. What they fear is your awareness. So, become aware. They fear is your joy. So choose joy. And they fear is your abundance. So learn something, upgrade yourself, and yeah, become abundant. So step fully into it, receive, claim, and accept it. The secrets they hide are powerless against your clarity, your energy, and your truth. So that is the message for this collective empowering, protective. So drop a comment which part of this reading liked the most. The blog, the hidden truths, or the empowerment guidance. I read every single one. Your power is untouchable. Their energy can't block your alignment. Trust, act, and rise, my dear. See you in the next video. Bye for now.